Good morning. So, I did say that the next video I make we'd be going golfing, but I decided since I started getting back into shape and I've been running at Durant Nature Preserve and I haven't made a video here yet, I'd go ahead and make one here. It's a pretty cool place to run, so here we go.
Here we are. This is what you see immediately following the parking lot, which isn't that exciting. So, yeah, nice little fences, nice little open area over here. It's pretty clean.
And here's their little sign. I'm going to tell you in advance, I know very little about this place because I haven't researched it. I just run here. Apparently there's a training lodge. I don't know what that means or what it's for, but the road this is on is called Camp Durant. So I think this used to be an actual camp.
The bird and butterfly garden. What I found is just like the fairy village over at the other park. There are no birds or butterflies here, so there weren't any fairies there at the other park, so I don't know. Now, this area back here is called Lakeside Trail. This is not where I go running, but there's something kind of cool over here, and I think it has to do with this formerly being a campsite. I think they hold little powwows here sometimes during the year also, so I wanted to show you this. Oh, this was on the way. They call this the bird garden. I hear birds. I don't see them. I suppose you could sit here and watch them. They have a gas tank painted with bird stuff on it. It's interesting. I'm starting to wonder if this is the same place or if I went through another entrance. This is actually extremely spacious. That's what I love about these parks, is how spacious they are. Now, there's a lot of parks in Houston, but it's really not like this. This is more kind of free. Check it out. There's a nice place to sit and get bit by a snake. Some buildings and stuff over here. We'll see what's over here. I've never been here, I don't think. Yeah, this is new. I went in a different direction. But clearly the remnants of a former campsite. It looks like a nice one too. And there's a lake, another lake. I looked it up. This place has 2 lakes. Wow, there's no water in the lake. I think I read a sign that back in September of last year they were draining the lake for renovation, so that must be what's going on. Campfire pit by reservation. Okay, so apparently you can do some kind of something here. I don't know if you can camp. I've never seen anyone camping here. That'd be cool. I'd love to camp here. I wonder what this place was like in its prime. Do you want a knuckle sandwich? What is that, like a pickled pig feet sandwich or something like that? You don't know nothing. How am I supposed to beat someone up that don't know nothing? I do too know things. I can tell you how long that stick is over there. How long? About 1 foot. That's easy. What's the capital of North Carolina? Everybody knows that. Mayberry. No, it isn't. Mayberry's the capital of North Carolina if I say it's the capital of North Carolina. And that's what you get for lying about there being knuckle sandwiches. Yeah, she really likes you. Maybe I should tell her I like her too, or something like that, yeah? Yeah, you two will look cute together. Well, maybe I should ask her out or something like that, yeah?
Well, if you hate them, I hate them too. Maybe after all these kids are gone, I could show you the back of my Mustang. Not a lot of room, but it's cozy. Are you gonna get me pregnant? We could work something.
Yeah, maybe we could go on a double date or something.
Well, I don't know about that. My daddy always told me only date one girl at a time. I wonder. It was probably a very nice place. It still is. It looks like a lot of fun. I just don't know if we can come here at night or camp here. Maybe I should find out. Two paths diverged in the yellow wood, and I, since they were equally traveled on, went back. So, we're on the trail where I run now, since I ran to get here. I'm out of breath, but there's another little lake thing up here. Lions and tigers. And bears? Oh my. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. Lions and tigers and bears.
If a tree falls in the woods, do you think that they cut it down?
What is that up there? Is that the yellow brick road? Have we made it back to the yellow brick road?
Lakeside Trail. So that was the trail I was on earlier, where I was showing you the campsite stuff, which was not the same campsite stuff I saw before, but it was pretty good. So if I would have kept going around that direction instead of back, then I would have made it here.
Good to know. Ooh, ducks. I never see ducks here. So this is one of the lakes. There's two of them. I looked it up. I don't think they're very big lakes, but they're lakes anyway. Here's the other side of the bridge I'm on, where the lake drains into the other lake, which is not a lake right now. And as inviting as this looks to jump down and slide, I don't recommend it. I don't think I'm going to do it right now anyway. Okay, so it's not a yellow brick road, it's just dirt. Right.
Okay, so I've never been this far in this direction before. New territory. Let's see what we find. I don't know what that is over there. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like lava ducks. Border trail. And some buildings over there. Well, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna go back. But now you've seen Durant Nature Park, and I'll see you in the car. And we're back! Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed our run at Durant Nature Park. And next time we are going to go golfing because I have a lot of work to do and these videos are time consuming. So I will see you next week. Bye! Do you see my fuzzy ball? Do you see it? Classic. It's a classic fuzzy ball. I had to buy this hat in the women's section to get that fuzzy ball. I'll do it. I'll do what it takes to get classic fuzzy balls. See the llamas? Fa la 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 llama? Llamas.